Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul. On this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace this high mount light bulb, or the high mount lights in here. So you've got, there's 5 different lights inside here. These are just a size 168 light bulbs, but this is called the high mount brake. It's the brake that's in the middle of the vehicle up at the top. So to get to that, we need to pop the trunk. And so we'll pop and raise the trunk up. And then you're going to see there's a little cover right here that we'll need to remove. And so then just use your screwdriver and almighty tool to be able to remove that cover. And then we also have 3 screws that are a size number 10. And so we remove them, and now we should be able to pull it off. We may need to back out this screw, but we're going to double check that first. There we go. So we backed out that P1 screw there, and now we'll be able to get this high mount. So now we got it out. We have, this is the water line for your windshield washer, and then we have this whole light bar with all the lights in there. So we're going to undo the electric connector on this side. That way we get access where we can flip this over, and then you'll need to, nice and easy, pop these clips up. And then you'll be able to pull out all of the lights and then be able to replace these all at once, or just the individual lights. And these all just pull out of the housing, and then you would just replace them. And so there's 5 of them. These are size 168, and that's how you would replace those lights if you need to replace them. And then when you're done there, then you're going to want to just install this whole thing back on your light unit here. By pressing it in, and then we'll have to hit that electric connector back up. Okay, so you'll want to take your electric connector and reconnect it. Snap that into place. Be able to line this up. There we go. Line that up and be able to press that into place. You actually didn't need to remove that number, the P1. That is just something to hold this in a little bit more. You just push on the light a little bit stronger to get it out. So now we've got it reinserted. This is just a tab to hold it in, and now we'll tighten put the 3 number 10 bolts in. Oh, and then you'll want to just go ahead and line this back up with the tabs there and snap that on. And so that is the replacement, or how to replace the bulbs and your high mount brake light. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.